Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep look at the 2025 Polestar 4, one of the most futuristic electric SUVs on the market right now. It's bold, it's fast, and it's breaking the rules of car design. Let's jump right in. Design and exterior. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Polestar 4 is its coupe-style SUV shape and clean Scandinavian design. But the real shocker? There is no rear window. Instead, Polestar uses a high-resolution rear camera that feeds a digital mirror inside. This allows for a sleeker roofline and more headroom in the back seats. Interior and technology. Inside, the cabin feels premium, minimalist, and modern. You get sustainable materials, soft textures, and excellent build quality. At the center is a 15.4-inch Google-based infotainment screen, complete with Google Maps, Google Assistant, and wireless Apple CarPlay. The instrument panel is a slim 10-inch digital display, and the rear passengers even get their own control screen. Performance. The Polestar 4 comes in two versions. A single-motor rear-wheel drive model with around 272 horsepower. And a dual-motor all-wheel drive version with about 544 horsepower. That dual-motor setup makes the Polestar 4 one of the quickest EV SUVs in its class, going from 0 to 60 in under 3.8 seconds. Battery and range. Both versions use a 102 kWh battery. Real-world range typically falls between 300 and 350 miles, depending on the model and driving conditions. Fast charging is supported, letting you go from 10 to 80% in around 30 minutes. Driving experience. On the road, the Polestar 4 is quiet, smooth, and surprisingly sporty. The steering feels sharp, and the suspension balances comfort with responsiveness. The dual-motor version is genuinely exciting to drive, while the single-motor model is more relaxed and efficient. Price and value. Pricing starts at the lower end of the premium EV segment, making it a strong competitor to the Tesla Model Y and Audi Q4 e-tron. With its combination of design, performance, and technology, the Polestar 4 offers excellent value for drivers looking for something unique. Verdict. So, is the 2025 Polestar 4 worth it? If you want a stylish electric SUV with futuristic tech, strong performance, and a standout design that refuses to follow the rules, then absolutely yes. The Polestar 4 is one of the most interesting EVs of 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts about the Polestar 4 in the comments. See you in the next review.